So I know y'all are tired of seeing the same view over and over again. So I decided to record something different. And I am currently at Mendelson Landing Riverwalk. One of my favorite places to go to just get a fresh breath of air and to enjoy this scenery. It's beautiful. So I came back to let y'all know that I did get my car fixed. I got it fixed about 3 weeks ago. And how about less than a week after I got it fixed, someone came back and vandalized my car. I say vandalized because the way that it happened just does not make sense to me. I was inside of a house and I heard a big, loud boom noise. The noise, I didn't think anything of it. I was just like, surely nobody hit a parked car. But I was wrong. I got ready to leave the house that I was at, and I just so happened to feel like I should check my car. And I looked at the driver's side rearview mirror, and someone had busted it. They knocked the complete mirror off, and that was that. But none of the rest of the car was damaged. That makes no sense to me. I'm not mad. Actually, sick of this bull crap now. So I took it to the shop the next day, and I had the mechanic who fixed my car in the first place to look at it, give me an estimate, and I'm going to get it fixed. Hopefully this is the last of that. So yeah, I'm just at my happy place right now, enjoying the water, the silence, this view, before I go to work. And my hair is different. It's red. I dyed it 2 days ago now, in honor of my 1 year dread anniversary. I hit 1 year on the 25th, and I'm so excited. I'm very, very happy with the growth. I feel like it could do a little bit better though, grow a little bit more, a little bit longer, but so far so good. Anywho, so yeah, I didn't really have much that I wanted to say, as y'all can tell. I just really want y'all to see this view. Tell me this isn't beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, guys. That was all I wanted. I'm actually about to head to work. I want y'all to send questions or ideas of what I could do as far as these videos go and content. I said that the last video, so I'll say it again this video. I want to know what y'all want to see. So let's walk back to my car and I can show y'all this damage and the parts of the car that's been fixed. I can show you that, as opposed to what you saw in the first couple of, well, it might have been the second or third video where I was driving and you could see where the back window was busted. I didn't show you where the car was keyed. I only have pictures of that, so sorry, but you can see I can't make this up. It's not really all that cold. It's windy. But I feel like I'm getting sick. Oh, something else I forgot to mention. I stopped eating meat. I don't know if it's completely yet, but I did stop. I stopped 2 weeks ago It's been 2 full weeks now. This week is week 3. The first week was kind of hard, but I made it. Then I decided I wanted to try to get through the second week, the week of Thanksgiving. That was pretty easy. And then this week I had it hard again because I wanted some meat. But I haven't given in, and I don't think that I will. I'm about to start looking for different stuff to eat and to replace it, like supplements. Going to get some protein shakes. And yeah, that's going to be that. Start this weight loss journey. Yeah, what kind of weight am I trying to lose, right? I just want to tone up and be healthy. Hello, how are you? So yeah. I got that dang old flu shot, and I feel like it's making me sick. But I had to do it for my internship, so I went ahead and did that. Got that out of the way. Yeah. So this is the part where everybody stares at you because they don't know what you're doing. Okay, so I made it to my car and it's fixed. Back windshield is what was busted, no longer is. This side of the car is what was keyed, and it's no longer keyed. And this mirror is what was broken. That's just my luck, huh? You get your car fixed, and they come back and mess something else up. Which I knew they would. I said that I would hope that they didn't wait until I got it fixed, spend all of that money, and then come back and mess it up. But unfortunately, someone did. Let me take this out. Okay. So, I'm trying to work at this vlogging thing. So far, I don't think it's going too well. I'm not sure this is something that I'm gonna do or continuously do. Somebody needs to help. But y'all can follow me to Dairy Queen because I want an ice cream, and all I've been doing lately is eating stuff that I shouldn't be eating because I don't eat meat anymore. Well, I'm trying not to eat meat anymore. Correction. I wish I was off today, y'all. It's such a beautiful day, and everybody's out. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, and I have to spend it at work. I spent all day at my internship, and I left a couple of minutes early so that I could come get a peace of mind so that my night at work goes well. Now I'm just gonna head on to work because it's time. And I think I came the freaking wrong way I'm sure I came the wrong way. I came too far down, actually, not the wrong way. So I'm gonna make a U-turn. Go back the other way. I want to have like small talk. By small talk, I mean whatever comes up, comes out. I wish these people would drive and stop trying to watch me. God dang. Anyway. Yeah, whatever comes up, comes out. Doesn't have to be about anything in particular. Almost like this video. I want to be able to talk to y'all like y'all is sitting right here in front of me. And like I've known y'all for forever. I'm slightly excited that I have an outlet. YouTube is definitely my outlet. And I don't plan on getting rid of it. I hope to build my, I don't want to call it a fan base. Build my subscribers. I hope to build my subscribers. If I knew how to turn this camera around, I would. Actually, hold on. So my phone decided it wanted to turn the camera off. I'm still on my way to get my ice cream. Yeah, I think me not eating meat is causing me to have extremely horrible acne. I think my body is trying to detox, and you can see it all in my face. If you notice in the other clips, in certain parts you can see like a whole bunch of bumps on my jaw. Right here, it's this side. It's horrible. I'm going through it, trying not to eat meat. But it's gonna all be for the better. When my body is banging, and when I'm healthy, and when I live to be 150 years old. And yes, if I can make it to 150, I want to. Okay, that's something I could talk about. Am I the only one who feared dying? Not because I don't know where I'm gonna go, but because it's just, we're gonna wake up one day and not be here again. That's wild. So wake up one day and not be here again. One day we won't be here, y'all. Life as we know it now will not exist. It's crazy. There we go, some good lighting. This shows all of my acne. And then all of these people riding beside me, looking in my car. Hi. This is why I can't vlog, because it's too weird for me. Anyway, yeah, I was always afraid of dying. I feel like when we die, we're gonna know that we're dead. And I keep trying to imagine like just laying in a casket, lifeless. Not, what the heck? Not breathing. I mean, she just finna run all into my car. Did she not see me turning? Yup. If you ever think about coming to Tuscaloosa, don't. These people cannot drive to save their lives. Hold on. I'm about to order me an ice cream at the infamous DQ. And they have honey barbecue glazed chicken strips.
Welcome to our Dairy Queen.
One moment, please.
Alright.
Don't know what I want. Okay, can I get a mini Heath Blizzard, please?
A mini Heath?
Uh-huh.
Anything else?
That would be all.
Alright, 616.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And now to pay for my stuff. Let me find my money.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm fine. Are you?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I keep spending money. I know I don't have to spend. I know this. But I work for it so I can spend it on what I want to spend it on. And then when I can't pay my bills, I still work for it. And I can't spend it on what I need to spend it on. Now look at my hair. I'm so excited. I just want my ice cream. Give me my ice cream. Here he is. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Do y'all want to see my ice cream? I always wait for them to serve my ice cream and hope that it don't be upside down, so that way I can get a free one. If you didn't know, you're about to find out. If Dairy Queen does not serve your ice cream upside down, it's life. If they don't serve your ice cream upside down, they have to give you a free one on top of the one you already bought. I don't know if you have to get it right then or if you can get it later, but just know you get a free ice cream. This is the worst part of driving. This is the worst road to be on. Simply because people don't know the rules of the road if they're not on a sign. We always almost have an accident right here. It never fails. Because somebody doesn't know the rules of the road, or they just simply don't know how to drive. I think it's just that they simply don't know how to drive. Even if there were rules or signs that tell you exactly what to do and how to drive, these people would not get it. They wouldn't get it. But I'm almost at work now. And I think this is the perfect place to end the video. Because I literally got to pull up, go in, change clothes, and go to work. So this is what my life is like. It's boring. I don't do anything. Nothing about my life is lit. other than this ice cream right now. So when I find something to do, something worth vlogging, then I'll pick the phone back up. Until then, adios.